Hey there, foodies! Today, we're diving into a delicious dish from Belgium, Carbonade Flamanade. This mouth-watering dish is a must-try for any meat lover. Carbonade Flamanade is a rich, flavorful dish made with tender beef, salt, cream, flour, eggs, and black pepper. The beef is cooked until it's incredibly tender, and the sauce is a perfect balance of salt, cream, and flour. The dish is then topped with a perfectly cooked egg, and the whole thing is served with a side of fries. To make this dish even more special, you can pair it with a Belgian bitter, a refreshing and complimentary beverage. So, the next time you're in Belgium, make sure to give Carbonade Flamanade a try. It's a dish you won't soon forget. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and food experiences. Cheers!